Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the document and saving changes so Word can track edits. Next, enable automatic spelling and grammar under File Options Proofing. This runs checks as you type. Place the cursor at the start or highlight a section if you want a focused pass. Once done, press F7 or choose Review Spelling and Grammar to start an immediate check. This initiates Word's dictionary and grammar rules so it can suggest corrections and learn your custom words. You'll see a pane with spelling and grammar suggestions. Read each item to understand context before acting. Click Change to accept a correction, ignore once to skip a false positive, or add to dictionary for names and jargon you reuse. For grammar, Word explains the issue. Accepting will auto-replace, so revise manually if meaning would change. Make sure to check language settings and custom dictionaries in proofing if suggestions don't match your intended dialect or specialized vocabulary. To finish, run a final F7 check and review any track changes or comments that might hide errors. If Word misses issues, verify the proofing language for the document and ensure custom dictionaries include or exclude relevant terms. Regional settings affect suggestions. If spell check doesn't start, restart Word, disable and re-enable proofing options, or repair Office installation as a last resort. This resolves most faults and gets you back to accurate, consistent spelling and grammar quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.